Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Welcome to Melv's Kitchen, where simple ingredients turn into amazing meals. Today we are making crispy fried cassava, a delicious snack loved across West Africa. I'm starting off with fresh cassava. First, peel off the thick outer skin and remove the light pinkish inner layer as well. Cassava can be tough to peel, so be patient and mindful with your knife. Beloved, may your home be filled with good food, love, and God's blessing. The cassava is nicely peeled. Cut off both ends of the cassava roots. Those parts are very tough and woody, almost like a stick, so they are not needed. After cutting the cassava, wash it thoroughly with clean water to remove any dirt or excess starch. Next, place the cassava into a pot, add water and a little salt, and allow it to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. You want the cassava to become slightly soft but not falling apart. Drain the water and allow it to cool for a few minutes. Now go ahead and cut the cassava into your favorite size, just the way you love to enjoy it. Next, remove the hard string running through the middle of the cassava. It is very fibrous and we don't need it. You can remove the string before boiling the cassava or after it's cooked. Either way works just fine. Heat the vegetable oil in a frying pan over a medium heat. Carefully add the cassava pieces, fry them until they are golden, brown and crispy. Make sure you flip the cassava over so both sides fry nice and evenly. Once the cassava is nicely fried, remove it from the oil and place it on a paper towel to drain the excess oil. Continue the process until you finish. And here you have it, crispy fried cassava. I serve it with fried fish and tomato sauce. Thanks for watching Melv's Kitchen. I'll see you on the next video.